How to install Telegram on desktop. Are you guys facing issues to install Telegram on your desktop? If that's so, then this video might help you out. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop device. Once you open the Chrome, now search for Telegram desktop. Once you search for it, now click on download icon over here. After you click on it, now click on Get Telegram for Windows. After you tap on it, your Telegram will start to download. Once it gets installed, just tap on the file. Now click on Run. Select the language according to your preference. After you select it, now tap on OK. Select your file locations. After you select your file locations, now click on Yes. Now finally click on the install button. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna install Telegram desktop on our PC. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.